The OnePlus 12 has just launched in China, confirming many of the specs that had leaked ahead of time, while also reaffirming previously confirmed details the company had teased ahead of launch. There will be likely be subtle difference between the new Chinese model and the global version, which is still expected to debut next year on January 23. The OnePlus 12 was just unveiled in China on December 5, thought it globally launched is promised for early 2024, according to an official press release from the company, with the international debut expected to take place next year on January 23. Ahead of launch, OnePlus had already revealed quite a few specs, including the phone's use of Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset, up to 24 GB of RAM, top 1 TB storage, huge 5400 mAh battery and IP65 rating. The phone charges at 100 watt or 50 watt wireless with a compatible charger, while the camera system, which is included in a design not disclaimer from the OnePlus 11, which is included in a design not dissimilar from the OnePlus 11, borrows heavily from the company's debut foldable, the OnePlus Open. As expected, the OnePlus 12 arrived on December 5 at a dedicated event for the Chinese market. While this means we all have to wait a little longer to get our hands on the OnePlus 12 in other regions, the company has promised an early 2024 release, with previous rumors pointing to January 23 next year. We don't yet know pricing outside of China, but we can expect it $605. However, expectations suggest international pricing will rise compared to the OnePlus 11. If you are familiar with the OnePlus 11's design, the OnePlus 12 follows a similar path, with a design philosophy inspired by luxury watches. With the starry dial, the circular rear camera element meant to reflect the passage of time. In a more particular sense, it is a distinct enough aesthetic, especially with that rear camera module, that you should be able to pick the OnePlus 12 out from a lineup of similar spec flagship phones. This is helped by the new flowy emerald signature colorway, while the phone also comes in a black finish and a white finish. Whatever all three of these options make it to the global release remains unclear, but in the past, OnePlus flagship rendered in white don't tend to make it outside of China. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.